Welcome to FM Education Academy. In this video lecture, we will be seeing questions from Prefinal Maths examination of May 2022. This is a part 2 video of the Prefinals examination question paper. We are going to solve the remaining questions in this video inshallah. So, in the earlier part 1 video, we had done till question number 19. In today's video, we'll start from question number 20. Okay, the question is cards numbered from 1 to 50 are placed in a box, and when a card is taken at random, find the probability of the card taken out is a 2-digit odd composite number. So here we have to find the probability that the card is a 2-digit odd composite number. So here first, what should the number be? 2-digit odd composite number. Three things we should see. It should be 2-digit, it should be odd, and it should be composite. So first what we'll do is we'll write all 2-digit odd numbers, and from that we'll select composite numbers. First of all, how many cards we have here? We have 50 cards, right? So we can write total outcomes is equals to how much? 50. And how many are 2-digit numbers or 2-digit numbered cards, we can say, from 1 to 50. 2-digit means it starts from 11, right? So we'll write all the 2-digit odd numbers first. 2-digit number cards from 1 to 50 which are odd. Okay. Smallest number is 10, is also a 2-digit number, but 10 is an even number. So we'll start with 11. 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, and 49. So here we need 2-digit odd composite numbers, right? So what are they? 2-digit odd composite numbers means the numbers which have more than 2 factors. Okay, for example, 4 can be written as 2 2s are 4. So we can say 4 is a composite number. If you want a odd composite number, then 6 can be written as 2 3s are 6. So 6 has factors 2 and 3. So any number which has more than 2 factors is called as composite number. Here we should choose odd numbers. Okay, so 2-digit odd composite numbers from this will be 15. Okay, because 15 can be written as 5 3s are. So 15 has more than 2 factors. It is odd, it is 2-digit, and it is also composite. Then we have 21. 17 is not a composite number. 19 is not a composite number. 21 can be written as 3 7s are 21. So 21 is a composite as well as odd number. Then 25, 27, because 27 can be written as 3 9s are 27. So 27 is a composite number. Then 29 is a prime number. 31 is a prime number. Yes, 33 can be written as 3 11s are 33. 33 is a odd number. Next we have all are odd only here what we have written. So that's why we can avoid confusion. First, if you write odd numbers, and then from that odd numbers we will select composite numbers, because in this question we need 2-digit odd composite numbers. Okay, so we have 35, then 39. Why 39 will come? Because we know that 13 3s are 39. So 39 also has more than 2 factors. Okay, next 45. Then 49 can be written as 7 7s are 49. The cards are only till 50. So 2-digit odd numbers which are composite numbers are till 49. So we'll write that here: 15, 21, 25, 27, 33, 35, 39, 45, 49. Now we will count the number of 2-digit odd composite numbers, or here they are also called as number of favorable outcomes, because that was asked in the question, right? That is how many? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are there. Okay. Now what is the formula of probability? Probability is equals to number of variable outcomes by total outcomes, that is equals to, what are number of variable outcomes we have here? 9. By total outcomes we have is 50. Now 50 cards. So what is the probability? 9 by 50. Now 9 and 50 are not divisible by any other number. So the answer is 9 by 50. 21st question. Draw the graph of the following pair of linear equations. Find the intersecting point from the graph. These two equations are given. 3x plus 2y is equals to 4 and 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. And it is telling us that already the lines are intersecting and we have to find out the intersecting point from the graph. Since it is already telling us that they are intersecting lines, we will not find out the condition, because already we know since it is intersecting, the condition will be a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Suppose in the question if it does not says this, the lines are intersecting, then you have to equate this to a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and this to a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Find out the value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 and then find out the equation, and from that you have to say whether they are unique solution, intersecting lines, parallel lines, okay, or overlapping lines. But here already told us, so we are not going to find out. Directly we'll find out the solutions for drawing the graph. So first, what is the equation we have? 3x plus 2y is equals to 4. We'll do for it. 3x plus 2y is equals to 4. Now whenever such type of equations are given, you can keep y on LHS and send the x on RHS side. So what do we have? 2y is equals to 4 plus 3x, if it goes that side, minus 3x. We have y is equals to 4 minus 3x by 2. Now let this be equation 1. Okay. What is the equation 1 we got? Y is equals to 4 minus 3x by 2. Now what we'll do is, we'll substitute different values of x and find out the values of y. See, I'll give you a hint. Whenever you substitute the values, right, choose one number as positive, another number as negative, and also choose the numbers in such a way that they get divided by the denominator, because if it gets divided by the denominator, it is easier to plot because they will be whole numbers. It is difficult to plot graph for decimal numbers, right? Means it will take time. That's why I'm telling you that choose numbers which are dividing with the denominator. For example, here I am going to substitute, put x is equals to 0 first. Now why am I substituting x is equals to 0? Because y is equals to 4 minus 3 into, in place of x substitute 0 by 2. 4 minus 3 zeros are 0 we will have, right? 4 minus 0 by 2 will have. So 4 minus 0 is 4. That is, it is able to divide. You are able to divide and we get a whole number because we had taken a number which was dividing. Okay. So next, so what did we get? When x is 0, y is 2. Next we will substitute, put x is equals to minus 2. Okay. Where are we going to substitute all these? We are going to substitute all these in equation 1. Okay, this is the equation 1 which we have. So in equation 1, substitute here in equation 1, y is equals to 4 minus 3 into minus 2 by 2. Y is equals to 4 minus into minus is plus. So 4 plus 6 by 2 we have. 6 plus 4 is 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. We have y is equals to 5. So we got when x is minus 2, y is 5. Now substitute x is equals to 2 in equation 1. Okay, now why am I choosing x is equals to 2 again? Because 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4 is minus 2. We'll have minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. So we are able to divide, we won't get decimal numbers. So I am choosing x is equals to 2. So we have y is equals to 4 minus 3 into, in place of x substitute 2 by 2. Y is equals to 4 minus 3 2s are 6 by 2. 6 minus 4 is 2 and bigger number sign is minus. So minus 2 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. We get y is equals to minus 1. So we get when x is 2, y is minus 1. Okay. Next, we'll find out the solutions for the second equation which we had. And the second equation which we had is 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. For 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. So here also what we'll do, we'll keep y on LHS and send all the terms on RHS. So 3y is equals to 11 minus 2x, or y is equals to 11 minus 2x by 3. Let this be equation 2. Now here we'll substitute, put x is equals to 1. Okay, so put x is equals to 1 in equation 2. We have y is equals to 11 minus 2 into 1 by 3. Y is equals to 11 minus 2 ones are 2 by 3. 11 minus 2 is 9. So y is equals to 9 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. We get y is equals to 3. So we got when x is 1, y is 3. Okay. Next we want 2 more points. So substitute and find out. Put x is equals to, we'll substitute minus 2 in equation 2. What is the equation 2 we have? Y is equals to 11 minus 2x by 3. So y is equals to 11 minus 2x. In place of x, we'll substitute minus 2 by 3. So we get y is equals to 11. Minus into minus is plus. 2 2s are 4. So we have 11 plus 4 by 3. 11 plus 4 is 15. So we have 15 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So we get when x is minus 2, y is 5. Okay. Next we'll have when x is, we'll substitute 4. See, I'm randomly choosing these numbers x. I'm not directly taking minus 3 plus 3. I'm choosing in such a way that they will get divided by denominator. Okay, on exam also you choose the numbers in such a way that they get divided by denominator. Okay, these numbers where we have to substitute x. So now if we substitute x is equals to 4, we get y is equals to 11 minus 2x by 3. 11 minus 2 into what is x we have here? 4 by 3. That is, we'll have y is equals to 11 minus 2 4s are 8 by 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. So we have y is equals to 3 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. So we have y is equals to 1. So we got when x is 4, y is 1 here. Now all the values whatever we got, we'll plot them in a table. What are the points we have? First we'll draw the graph for equation 3x plus 2y is equals to 4 we have, right? We have when x is 0 we got y is 2. When x is minus 2 we got y is 5. When x is 2 we got y is minus 1. Similarly, we'll write the values of 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. That is the second equation also. Whatever values we got. When x is 1 we got y is 3. When x is minus 2 we got y is 5. When x is 4 we got y is 1. Okay. Minimum 3 points you need to draw a graph. Remember, whether it be linear equations or polynomials. This is from the chapter linear equations, this sum. Okay. Now, based on these values, we'll draw the graph. Okay. Here I don't have a graph, so I'm going to do it in a paper. See, on scale, since see the values, here we have very small numbers 0, 2, minus 1, 4, 3, 5. All these numbers are very small. So what we'll do is, we will take for 1 centimeter, we'll take only 1 unit. Okay, on x-axis as well as y-axis, because the values are very small. So we'll take on x-axis 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter, and also on y-axis we'll take 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. Okay, that is why I have taken one. This is my 1 centimeter. One box will be equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, now write down this will be 0, positive x-axis, negative x-axis, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only we have till 5 on positive x-axis. Okay, till the maximum value we have is till 4. Next we have on y-axis we have maximum value is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is positive y-axis. What about negative y-axis? We have minus 2 is the last value we have on negative axis, y-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So when x is 0, we have y is 2. When x is 0, y is 2 means this is my point. Next we have when x is minus 2, y is phi. When x is minus 2, y is phi means here we have minus 2 comma phi. Next we have when x is 2, y is minus 1. When x is 2, y is minus 1 means this is my point, 2 comma minus 1. Now I join all these 3 points with a scale because these 3 points are the point for these equations. That is why I am going to join them with a scale. Okay. What did it tell us in the question? To find out the intersecting point. Intersecting point means the point which is common for both the lines is called as intersecting point here. Okay. So what is the equation we have? 3x plus 2y is equals to 4. Next we have when x is 1, y is 3. When x is 1, y is 3 means this is my point, 1 comma 3. When x is minus 2, y is 5. When x is minus 2, y is 5 means this point only again. Next we have when x is 4, y is 1. When x is 4, y is 1. This is the point we have, 4 comma 1. Now join all these 3 points with a scale. There is a possibility that these 3 points might not meet. Okay, so what you do is you join this point and this point. Join the points. Why am I joining this point and this point? Because I know for sure that this point is there common for both the lines. So I'm going to join this point and this point. Okay, so I see here that these 2 lines intersect at this point, right? So what is my intersecting point? Minus 2 comma 5. It told in the question to find out intersecting point. So I'll write from graph, on the graph only I'll write intersecting point is how much? Minus 2 comma 5. That is if x is 2, y is 5. Okay, and we got system is consistent and solution is unique. 22nd question. If 0.3 power x is equals to 0.037 power y is equals to 10,000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So here what is it given? It's given that 0.337 power x is equals to 0.037 power y is equals to 10,000 is given. And what I have to find out? I have to find out the value of this 1 by x minus 1 by y. So whenever such type of questions are asked, that is power x is equals to power y is equals to some number, what you do is power x you equate with 10,000 and then power y you equate with 10,000. That is first you are going to equate this 0.37 power x with 10,000, right? Here you have, here also I will divide this page into 2. Now I know 0.37 can be written as 37 by 100 because I want to remove this decimal point. So I divided with 100 because there are 2 places, right? 1 place, 2 place is equals to 10,000 can be written as how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can be written as 10 power 4. And this is power x. Now what I will do? I'll apply log on both sides. And this such type of questions will always be solved with the help of logarithms only. BS I'm writing for both sides. So log 37 by 100 power x is equals to log 10 power 4. Now compare it with the identity log x power n. This is also of the form of log x power n. What is log x power n? N log x. We know that log x power n is n log x. That is 7 log, sorry, this is x, right? Log 37 by 100 is equals to 4 log 10 we have. Now what you do is you apply base 10 on both sides also. This is called as base 10, base 10. Why are we going to apply base 10 on both sides? Because log 10 to the base 10 value will become equal to 1. So apply base 10 on both sides. Okay, so I have applied base 10 here and base 10 here. Now again, it is in the form of log x by y. What is log x by y to the base a? Log x by y to the base a is log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. So x 37, y 100. So x is common for both, right? So x, and I'll open the bracket, then I'll write log 37 to the base 10 minus log 100 to the base 10 is equals to 4 into, what is log n to the base n? This is the form of log n to the base n. What is log n to the base n? It is 1. So 4 into 1 I'll write in place of log 10 to the base 10. Now I have x into log 37 to the base 10 minus 100 can be written as 10 square, because I know 10 tens are 100, and that I can write as 10 square. Okay, that is equals to 4 ones are 4. Now this is nothing but it is equal to x into log 37 to the base 10 minus, it is the form of log x power n to the base a. Already we wrote this. If you write formula one time, it's enough. Log x power n to the base a or without base a, what is it? N log x to the base a. So n log x to the base a, that is minus 2 log 10 to the base 10 is equals to 4. Next, it is in the form of log n to the base n. So in place of log 10 to the base 10, I'll write 1. That is equals to x into log 37 to the base 10 minus 2 into 1 is equals to 4. So we have x into log 37 to the base 10 minus 2 ones are 2 is equals to 4. Next we have x is equals to 1 by log 37 to the base 10 minus 2. But here I don't want x, I want 1 by x, so I'll inverse this. That is, this becomes 1 by x is equals to, this goes in numerator, log 37 to the base 10 minus 2 by 1. Because in the question it asked me value of 1 by x. So I'll inverse it. This numerator will become denominator, and this numerator will also become denominator, and denominator will become numerator. I have 1 by x is equals to log 37 to the base 10 minus 2 by 4. This is my equation 1. Keep it as it is, because already we got the value of 1 by x. Now remember, what did we have? 0.037 power y is equals to 10,000. Equate this to 10,000. 0.037 to the power y is equals to 10,000. This can be written as 37 by, how many places are there after decimal point? 1, 2, 3. So this can be written as 1000 is equals to, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So 10 power 4 power y. Now apply log on both sides similarly. So it becomes log 37 by 10,000 to the power y is equals to log 10 power 4. Again, it is a form of log x power n. What is log x power n? Log x power n is n log x. What is n here? Y. Log x. X is 37 by 10,000. So y into log 37 by 10,000 is equals to, this is the form of log x power n. What is log x power n? N log x. That is 4 log 10. Now apply base 10 on both sides. So it becomes y into, it is the form of log x by y to the base a, right? What is log x by y to the base a? It is log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. X here is 37, y here is 10,000. So log 37 to the base 10 minus log 10,000 to the base 10. This is not 10,000 actually, this is 1,000 is equals to 4 into, what is log n to the base n? Log n to the base n is 1. So log 10 to the base 10 is in the form of log n to the base n. So we have y into log 37 to the base 10 minus, this can be written as log, how can we write 1000 as? 1000 can be written as 10 cube. So 10 cube to the base 10 is equals to, we have 4 ones are 4. So y into log 37 to the base 10 will keep as it is. Again, it is in the form of log x power n to the base a. What is log x power n to the base a? N log x to the base a. N here is 3 log as it is, and x is 10. So 3 log 10 to the base a is 10 is equals to 4. Now what is log n to the base n? 1. So y into log 37 to the base 10 minus 3 into 1 is equals to 4. So we have y into log 37 to the base 10 minus 3 ones are 3 is equals to 4. Or we have y is equals to 4 by log 37 to the base 10 minus 3. But we don't want y, we want 1 by y in the question. So inverse this will become denominator, this will become numerator. It becomes log 37 to the base 10 minus 3 by 4. Let this be equation 2. Now in the question, what did it ask? The value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So whatever value you got 1 by x, equation 1 minus equation 2 we should do. 1 by x minus 1 by y is nothing but equation 1 minus equation 2. So what is the equation 1 we got? We got log 37 to the base 10 minus 2 by 4 was our equation 1 minus 1 by y. What is 1 by y? We got log 37 to the base 10 minus 3 by 4. That is nothing but LCM of 4 and 4 is 4 only, and it becomes log 37 to the base 10 minus 2, and we have minus into nothing is there, means here it becomes plus, minus into plus is minus log 37 to the base 10, and here we have minus into minus is plus 3 minus log 37 to the base 10 and plus log 37 to the base 10 will get cancelled. Here we have minus 2, here we have plus 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and we have by 4. So what is our answer? We got the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y is what? 1 by 4. How did we get? 3 minus 2 is 1 and by 4 as it is. This is the next step, last step which we got. Now see the 23rd question. Find the sum of all 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3 and not divisible by 2. The numbers should be 2-digit first of all. They should be divisible by 3, that is, they should have factors as 3, and they should not be divided by 2. Answer 27. We have to find sum of all 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3 and not by 2. Okay, so we will write 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3 but not by 2 are. First, I'll give you a hint. In the working column, write down the numbers which are 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers start from 10, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and so on. Now the numbers are 2-digit we already wrote. Now what we have to see whether they are divisible by 3 and not by 2. 10 is not divisible by 3. 11 is also not divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3, but 12 is also divisible by 2. But what is the question? It should be divisible by 3 but not by 2. So we cannot choose 12. What about 13? 13 is not divisible. 14 is not divisible. Yes, 15 is divisible by 3 because we know 15 5 by 5 is 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. But 15 is not divisible by 2 because we know 15 by 2 we cannot divide. So yes, what is the first number we have? 15, comma. This is also our series, okay, which we are going to write. 15, comma. Next number we have is 16 is not divisible by 3, 17 is not divisible by 3, 18 is divisible by 3 but it is also divisible by 2 because we know 9 2s are 18 and also 6 3s are 18. That is 18 is divisible by both 3 and 2, but we don't want numbers which are divisible by 2. So we cannot choose 18. Next, 19 is also not divisible by 3, 20 is not divisible by 3. Yes, 21 is divisible by 3 because we know 3 7s are 21 and 21 is not divisible by 2. So what is the next number? 21. Next, 22 is not divisible by 3, 23 is not divisible by 3. 24 is divisible by 3 because we know 3 8s are 24 and also 24 is divisible by 2 because we know 12 2s are 24. So it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So we cannot choose 24, we cannot choose 25. Next, what is the number we have? 26. It is not divisible by 3. 27. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 27 can be written as 3 9s are 27 and it is not divisible by 2. So what is the next number we have? 27. So 3 numbers are enough whenever you write any series and so on. And what is the last number we have? We know the last 3-digit number we have is 100. And before 100, what is the number we have? 99. And we know 99 is divisible by 3 and it is not divisible by 2. All this I am going to write in working column. Okay, so this is my series which I have. From this series I can write the value of A, which is called as first term, that is 15. Common difference is A2 minus A1. Here we have A2 is 21 minus A1 is 15. 21 minus 15, if you subtract you will get 6. So we have first term is 15, common difference is 6. And we also have a last term which is called as an, and it is also called as L, which is nothing but 99. Okay, now if you observe here, we don't know how many are number of terms. In the question it told us to find out sum of all the terms, but since number of terms are not given, we will find it out with the help of the formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have the value of an 99, substitute in this formula. A is 15 plus n we don't know, minus 1 into d is 6. So all this 99 as it is, plus 15 if it goes outside, minus 15 is equals to 6 into n, 6n, 6 into minus 1, minus 6. 99 minus 15, if you subtract, you'll get value is 84, is equals to 6n minus 6. We have 6n is equals to 84 as it is, minus 6 if it goes outside, plus 6. We have 6n is equals to 84 plus 6 is 90, n is equals to 90 by 6. We have 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 9 minus 6 is 30, 6 5s are 30. So we have number of terms n is equals to 15. Now since we have the value of n, we can easily find out the value of Sn. See, these type of concepts are very important because these were asked in practice paper 1 and 2 also. Remember the sum of terms formula, and in both the questions also number of terms were not given in the question. We had found out number of terms n value and then we had substituted in the formula of Sn. So practice these type of questions well, sum of number of terms. In all the 3 papers it came, so there is a chance that it will come again in board exams. Using the formula of Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus L, we will find out sum of all the terms divisible by 3 and not by 2. That is nothing but n number of terms you got is 15, substitute in the formula, into what is a we have 15 plus last term is 99. Sn is equals to 15 by 2 into what is 15 plus 99, 9 plus 5 is 14, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 114. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 minus 0 is 1 4, 2 7s are 14. So we have 57. So we have Sn is equals to 15 into 57, multiply 15 into 57, 7 5s are 35, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So we have 5, 5, 7 plus 1 is 8. So we have 855. What is 15 into 57? 855. So what is the sum of number of terms which are divisible by 3 and not by 2? 855. 24th question. Find the points of trisection of the line segment joining 5, 7 and 2, minus 2. So points of trisection means, see, there is a line segment, okay, and on the line segment if you are able to divide it into 3 parts, first part, second part, third part, that is called as trisection, because trisection means 3 parts. So 2 points are already given, A and B, and what are those given to us? 5, 7 and 2, minus 2. We have to find out these 2 points. Let these 2 points be P and Q. And whenever it tells us the lines of trisection or the lines are divided in the ratio, you have to use the formula, section formula. Now again, this concept is also important because it previously came in practice paper, so there is a chance for this concept also to come, section formula. What is the section formula we have? I'll write here. So here A is given as 5, 7 and B is given as 2, minus 7. First we'll write for P. For P, see here, this is P, this is Q, right? This is A and this is B. They are not divided into equal parts, but first part, second part, third part. So for P, we are going to see from here to here, right? So what is the numerator we'll have? 1 part is to, how many parts are there after P? PQ and QB. That is, there are 2 more parts. So 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. So what is the ratio for P? 1 is to 2. So this will be M1 and this will be M2. And what are the coordinates we have? 5, 7 and 2, minus 2. This will be x1, this will be y1, this will be x2 and this will be y2. So I told you I'll write the section formula here, right? So for both the points you have to use section formula. I'm going to write the formula once only in the answer. So what is the point we have? m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Substitute P is equals to, what is M1 we have? 1 into what is X2 we have? 2 plus what is M2? 2 into what is Y1? 7 by M1 is 1 plus M2 is 2 comma M1 Y2. M1 is 1 into Y2 is minus 2 plus M2 is 2 into Y1 is 7 by M1 plus M2. M1 is 1 plus M2 is 2. So P is equals to 2 ones are 2 plus 7 twos are 14 we have. X1 here is 5. Okay. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5. M1 X2 plus M2 X1 plus 5 twos are 10 we have. 2 plus 1 is 3 comma minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus here we have this is M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1. Here Y1 is 7, it's correct. Minus 2 plus 7 twos are 14 by 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have P is equals to 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 by 3 comma 14 minus 2 is 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. We have the coordinates of point P are 4 comma 4. Similarly, find out the coordinates of Q. Here we have 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 7. We got the value of P. Now find out Q. A is 5 comma 7. B is 2 comma minus 2. X1 Y1, X2 Y2, P, Q. For Q, what are the coordinates? This is first part, second part. So here 2 parts are there for Q and this is the remaining part. So 2:1 is the ratio for Q. M1 is 2, M2 is 1. So for Q, what is the ratio? M1 is 2 and M2 is 1. Again use the same formula. Which formula we have to use? M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2 comma M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. So we have Q is equals to, what is M1 we have? 2 into what is x2? 2 plus M2. M2 here is 1 into x1. x1 is 5 by M1 plus M2, that is 2 plus 1 comma M1 y2. M1 is 2 into y2 is minus 2 plus M2 y1. M2 is 1 and y1 is 7 by M1 plus M2. 2 plus 1, that is nothing but Q is equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 5 1s are 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 3 and minus 2 2s are 4, minus into plus minus 2 2s are 4 plus 7 plus 1s are 7 by 2 plus 1 is 3. Q is equals to 5 plus 4 is 9 by 3 comma 7 minus 4 is 3 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. We got the coordinates are 3 comma 1. Therefore, coordinates of trisection are, we can write, what did we get? 4 comma 4 and 3 comma 1. 25th question. Draw less than ogive curve for the following data. Class interval and frequency are given in the question. We have to draw less than ogive curve. See, this less than ogive curve concept is also very important because it came in the practice paper, right? Again it came. Okay. So we know that in the less than ogive curve on x-axis we will have upper class limit, on y-axis we will have LCF. Less than ogive curve since we have class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, upper class limit is this 20. Here upper class limit is 40. Here upper class limit is 60. Here upper class limit is 80. These are called as upper class limits. So less than ogive curve is plotted between upper class limit and less than CF. Okay, but for finding out less than CF, we need frequency also. So we need 3 columns here. Upper class limit, frequency and less than CF. So what is upper class limit given to us? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 and 140. What is the frequency given to us? 4, 6, 5, 12, 8, 9 and 6. How to decide whether the column which is given to you is frequency or less than CF? Always see the last value. If the last value is maximum, means direct less than CF is given to you. Here the maximum value we have is 12, which is there in between. So it means that this column is of frequency, not of less than CF. So find out less than CF from this frequency. How to find out less than CF from frequency? See, first will be as it is, 4. Then what to do? Add this. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 12, 27. 27 plus 8, 35. 35 plus 9, 44. 44 plus 6, 50 we have. So here we see that maximum value is 50. It means this is my column of less than CF. Okay. Now plot the graph. Okay. So remember, for less than ogive curve, usually you won't have negative x-axis values and negative y-axis values. So like this you have to draw. Most of the students will be confused how to draw, like should we take negative x-axis also, negative y-axis also. That is why I am clearing these small concepts also. This is the type of graph like which you should draw for less than CF whenever it asks us to draw less than ogive curve. Okay. So here what do we have? The first point, we have all these values. If you observe, this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, right? If you observe in the question, this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Here we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. We can take that only on x-axis, that is 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. What about y-axis? We have till 50, so we can take 5, 10, 15, 20. So what do we have on y-axis? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So what do we have here? We have upper class limit, and here we have less than CF. On y-axis. So what is the first point we have? When x is 20, y is 4. When x is 20, y is 4 means it is somewhere here. 20, 4. Okay. Next we have, we'll write the points afterwards. First we'll plot. When x is 40, y is 10. When x is 40, y is 10 means it is here. When x is 60, y is 15. When x is 60, y is 15. When x is 80, y is 27. When x is 80, y is 27 means this is 30, right? This is my point. X is 100, y is 35. This is 100, 35. When x is 120, y is 44. X is 120, y is 44. 44 means somewhere here. Last point is when x is 140, y is 50. When x is 140, y is 50 here. Okay, now join all the points together. This is called as less than CF, less than ogive curve. Now write all the points, whatever we got. See, I have written all these points. Okay. So I need to write scale also, right? 1 unit, 1 centimeter is 20 units. On y-axis, 1 unit is 5 centimeter. 26th question. If you drop a die at random on the rectangular region as shown below, then find the probability that the die falls inside the circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. That is, they are telling that if we throw a die, what is the probability that inside this rectangle, the die will lie inside the circle. Here it will lie, suppose, or here, or here, or here, that it should lie inside the circle. So for these type of questions, whenever such type of questions are asked in the exam, remember that you have to use the formula of finding out area of circle and area of rectangle. So what is the number of available outcomes? Here we have area of circle. And what is the total outcomes? Here we have area of rectangle. Radius of circle is given to us, length of rectangle is given to us, breadth of rectangle is given to us. We can easily find out area of circle and area of rectangle and find out the probability. So let us solve. This is the figure we have in the question. This is 3.5 centimeter radius. Okay, a rectangle is given to us. And what is the length of the rectangle? 10 centimeter. Breadth of the rectangle is 8 centimeter. This is D, C, B. See, if diagrams are given in the question, or if it is a question of mensuration, I suggest to draw diagrams in the exam. Okay, in maths exam. So here, what is the probability we have to find out? That it lies inside the circle. So first we have to find out what is the favorable outcome. That is, what is the chance that die will inside area of circle. Favorable outcome here is area of circle. That is nothing but, what is the formula of area of circle? Pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 into r is 3.5 given to us in the question. R square means r into r is 3.5, so 3.5 into 3.5. Here we have 7 ones are 7, 7 zeros are 0, 0.3 will come down, 7 fives are 35. So multiply 22 into 0.5. 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 0 twos are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0, 1, 1 we have. And we have one decimal point here, so here it will come. So we got 22 into 0.5 is 11. Now multiply 11 into 3.5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3. So we have, and 3 ones are 3. 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 3 as it is. One decimal point we have here, it means it will come. So we got 22 into 0.5 is 11, 11 into 3.5 we got is 38.5. So we have area of circle is 38.5 centimeters square because it is given in terms of centimeter. Now find out the total outcomes. That is, here we have to find out area of circle. Sorry, area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? We have length into breadth. What is the length given to you in the question? The length given to me in the question is 10, into breadth given to me is 8. So 10 8s are 80 centimeters square. So what is the formula of probability? Area of rectangle by area of circle. Area of circle by area of rectangle. Sorry, it's wrong. So area of circle is 38.5 by area of rectangle is 80. 38.5 by 80. How to solve this? You can write this as 385 by 800. Okay. Or how can you write this? I'll say you an easy method. Here we have 2 zeros now. Send this 2 zeros in numerator. How to send 2 zeros in numerator? You have to shift the decimal place by left hand side by 2 places. Whenever zeros are there in denominator, how many zeros are there in denominator? That you have to shift by left side by that many places. So here 2 zeros means 1, 2. So it becomes 3.85 by 8. Now divide this 3.85 by 8. 8 outside, 3.85 inside. 8 zeros are 0. 3 as it is, point is there. 8 as it is. 8 6 are 42. 8 5 are 40. 8 4 are 32. 8 minus 2 is 6 5. 8 8 are 64 we have. 5 minus 4 is 1 0. 8 1s are 8. So we have 0.481. So what is the answer we got? Probability is equals to how much? 0.481 is the probability. You won't have centimeter square because for probability you won't have units because centimeter square will get cancelled. This is my probability 0.481. Okay, remember I'll give you a hint. Whenever the answers of probability are there, whatever you get, remember they will be positive and they will lie between 0 and 1. So 0.481 means also it lies between 0 and 1 means our answer is correct. like, share, subscribe, click that bell icon.